So I got on the Speedmaster today to go for a ride, and I get a mile down the road to put gas in it, and I noticed that my GoPro doesn't have a micro SD card in it, and I'm like, damn. So I went for my ride anyway. I always like running the camera in case, some idiot cuts me off, I get in an accident or something like that, plus to make YouTube videos for my channel. But I didn't have the micro SD card in it, so I went on my ride anyway, and now I'm back. And now I'm with my helmet on in the driveway, and I put the micro SD card inside. I didn't want to come home from the gas station and put a card in it because you got to remove the microphone, you got to remove the camera from the helmet, you got to open up the door of the camera, put the SD card in it, and then put it all back together, adjust the aim and all that jazz. So I didn't want to fool around with that. But man, I just sitting here looking at the motorcycle and just thinking about how much I love this bike. 2020, Cobalt Blue, ape hangers. Not everybody likes the ape hangers, but I like the ape hangers, or I wouldn't have put them on there. 77 horsepower, I think 77 foot-pounds of torque. It'll get up and go, take you anywhere you want to go. I've had it up to 95, 100 miles an hour, sustained speed. I like running this bike around town with just one saddlebag on for a couple of reasons. Number one, I'm lazy, and I like the look of it. A lot of times you'll see the scrambler type motorcycles with one large saddlebag on the left and a smaller one on the right because the exhaust comes up higher on the right, or the exhaust is so high you can't fit a saddlebag on the right hand side. I like riding around with just one saddlebag on it. I think it looks hot and sexy that way. People approach me and they say, wow, what kind of motorcycle is that? Even though they see Triumph, they ask, is it an older one? Is it like from the 70s or something like that? No, it's brand new. It's got this retrospective styling to it that it's kept forever. It's very appealing. It's not appealing to young guys who want a sports bike, but I'm going to tell you what. You go out and you go to Geico.com or any insurance company and you punch in the type of motorcycle you want to buy and see how much insurance is going to be on it. A sport bike, your insurance is going to be expensive, especially the younger you are, the more it's going to cost you. So you factor in the price of the bike, price of insurance. Do you want to ride a sport bike? This is a perfect bike. It's a wonderful bike. I love this bike. And if you were able to get one, you would love it too. GoPro, stop recording.